नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है हमारे चैनल में। आज हम करेंगे इंग्लिश डिक्टेशन 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। ऐसी और वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अगर इस डिक्टेशन में से कोई वर्ड की आउटलाइन आप नहीं बना पा रहे हैं तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जाके उस वर्ड को लिखें। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम उस वर्ड की इजी आउटलाइन बना के आपको देंगे। चलो शुरू करते हैं। Let's start. Instructions regarding writing the qualification reports were circulated, wherein it was inter alia mentioned that under the system of self-initiation of qualification reports by the concerned officers, the officer to be reported upon immediately at the end of the financial year or earlier on his transfer from one assignment to the other should make available blank qualification report forms with informatory columns duly filled in by him to the reporting officer to enable him to initiate the report timely stop. Therefore, it will be the sole responsibility of the reporting officer to ensure that the qualification report of his subordinates are written and forwarded to the next receiving authority immediately, so that the same may reach the board secretariat by the end of May each year at the latest. But it has been noticed that qualification reports are not written and sent to this office well in time, which results in the delay in finalization of cases of promotion, pension, etc., besides causing mental agony and financial hardship to the employees concerned. Stop para. While reiterating the above instructions, it is requested that whenever any reporting officer is transferred from one assignment to another, while submitting his charge report, he should simultaneously submit all the qualification reports of his subordinates to his next higher authority, so that no qualification report of an employee is left unwritten. Stop. This should be ensured by the respective controlling officers that the charge report of an officer who is transferred is acceptable only when he clears the qualification reports by all the subordinates who had worked under him. Stop para. Further, the officer to be reported upon, while submitting his blank qualification report form with informatory columns duly filed in to his reporting officer. Stop. In case of his period of report being less than 3 months, should specifically indicate the reasons thereof, because in some cases the period of reporting officers become less than 3 months, or the officer to be reported upon is posted at a particular station for a period of less than 3 months. Stop para. As enjoined in the instructions, a certificate should be furnished during the month of May each year by all the officers to their next higher authorities concerned, to the effect that annual confidential reports for the financial year have been written by all the employees in their respective zones. Stop. Thus, it is also essential that all officers should write report on the work and conduct of their subordinates regularly and punctually. Stop para. It is also added that the custodian of the confidential report files should also ensure timely completion of the confidential reports at the end of each financial year. Stop. If the confidential report of an employee is not received by him within the time limit already provided in the standing instructions, he may bring it to the notice of the competent authority and remind the authority for its earlier submission. Stop para. These instructions may be brought to the notice of all concerned working under you. Full stop.